Hey, what's up, guys? The last few weeks I've spent going through YouTube content, probably close to 35-40 videos on crypto testing environments, generating USDT apps, and you know what I noticed? Everyone's gatekeeping with unnecessarily complicated methods, talking about virtual machines, multi-layer security protocols, advanced scripting, like they're trying to make it sound harder than it actually is. After filtering through all that noise, turns out what most guys actually need is refreshingly straightforward. I've been immersed in this field for several years, running my own evaluations and side-by-side platform tests, and the app called Flash USDT still keeps delivering consistent results. Been working with it roughly 9 months now, closer to a year honestly, and what I licked, no hidden agendas, interface flows logically, everything's laid out clearly, and its track record speaks for itself. I drop Flash USDT tokens into my wallet, and they're a carbon copy of genuine USDT, visually. Matching logo, same ticker symbol, everything displays identically. But where it differs is flexibility. I can set parameters like transfer count, existence timeframe, daily transaction thresholds. It works perfectly for app development testing minus financial stakes or platform compatibility verification. Alright, gonna run through this live right now so you catch the full process. Going to any browser and typing getflashisdt.org. So I'm on the platform here, clicking Launch App, authentication step coming up, selecting Wallet from dropdown, hitting Connect, and there it is, I'm in. First, I input the quantity now, 18K tokens for demonstration purposes. Next, selecting target address. So opening my wallet extension, selecting USDT, balance reads 0 currently. So snagging that address and pasting into the field. So the visibility duration, I'm locking it in 3 days here. Next, I'm running quick verification on entries. Everything checks out, and I'm clicking Generate USDT. So transaction in progress. Let's just wait a bit. And perfect. Cool. Flash USDT generated successfully, so my balance should update momentarily. Now back in wallet interface, tapping arrow button, and yep, done. 18K USDT just generated. So it's the whole process right there. Now, here's something most people miss about why tools like this actually matter long term. Crypto isn't some niche hobby anymore that only tech nerds mess with. Major financial institutions are building on blockchain. Entire countries are exploring digital currencies. Your next job might involve understanding smart contracts, even if you're not a developer. This knowledge gap between people who get it and people who don't is widening fast. But the barrier to entry feels massive because traditional learning approaches don't work well here. You can't just read a textbook about blockchain and suddenly understand it. You need tactile experience, watching transactions propagate through networks, seeing confirmation times vary across chains. That kind of intuitive knowledge only comes from repetition and interaction. The platform removes the financial barrier from that learning curve. It's essentially a sandbox where consequences don't exist, but the learning is completely real. You're not simulating blockchain activity. You're actually participating in it on live networks, just with training tokens instead of your life savings on the line. So yeah, links down in the pinned comment and description. Run through it yourself, play around with different scenarios, and let me know what you think after trying it out. Keep learning, stay ahead of the curve. Peace.